Hello everyone, so as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be doing Halloween inspired eyeliner looks, but before we get into the makeup part of this, I actually wanted to share with you something that I got in the mail. It is actually the Jeffree Star Halloween box, the mystery boxes, and I got it in the small size, and one of the items we're actually going to be using in today's look. But every single mystery box contained at least one exclusive item for the Halloween collection, and every single box, as far as I know, contained the mini breaker palette. And we are actually going to be using the colors in here for today's look, and I feel like this was ingenious for him to include in the Halloween box because purple and orange just scream Halloween, and these are some really nice transition colors. In here we actually have the Lip Ammunition Bullet Lipstick, and I love the way these look. They're so cool. And it's in the color Glazed. And it's this really nice gold. I'm just going to swatch it on the back of my hand. And honestly, it has pink flecks in it. I don't know if I'm going to be using this a whole lot because I'm not a huge fan of pink. Now lastly, there are two velour liquid lipsticks. One of them is Family Jewels from, I think, the Family collection that he did. And it's a really nice nude color. And then this is the one exclusive Halloween item in this box. They're never going to be making this again. I have actually seen other channels and videos about these boxes, and I've seen things from every single size, and the larger sizes actually got the velour liquid lipstick in a different shade, and I believe it was called Zombie Kiss, and it was a really nice metallic purple. And this is called Soul Sucker, and it's a really dark black grayish color. I'm going to build that up a little bit. But when you swatch it, there's actually orange flecks in it of glitter. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. And I think that's really cool and pretty, so would I have preferred the purple? I don't know, honestly. But anyway, in today's look, we are going to be using the Mini Breaker palette. And he came out with the Jawbreaker collection in the summer. And I think I already talked about it and everything. And I even mentioned how Jawbreakers remind me of Ed, Edd and Eddy, the Cartoon Network show. But yeah, we are totally going to be using this palette in today's look. Oh my gosh, I already kind of ruined it. My nail dug into this. So yeah, those are all of the items that I received in my small mystery Halloween box from Jeffree Star, and let's just get into the makeup look. So I learned my lesson from the Sunflower Recreating Instagram makeup video, and instead of using this one, we're going to be using this eyeliner. They're both from NYX, but this one I actually use in my everyday life. It is the matte liquid liner, and I love the applicator. It's just my favorite applicator. But this one has a completely different applicator. It's kind of like a ballpoint pen applicator. It's called That's the Point, and this is in the design Super Sketchy. So it's just much more easier to control. So we're going to be playing it safe and using this. We're actually going to be doing a bat eyeliner look that I actually saw, I want to say it was on Instagram. It was either on Instagram or on Twitter. Let me just look that up really quickly. Okay, so this was actually posted by NYX Cosmetics. Go figure. And it was on Twitter. So we're going to be taking inspiration from the vampire bat wing and just doing an eyeliner look with it. We're going to be going in with a Morphe M456. I'm going into the purple in the palette called Foreplay, and it's a really, really light purple, almost a pink color, which is kind of crazy. And we're just going to be putting that into the crease of our eye. Okay, so with that same Morphe M456 brush, is it 456? Yep, it's 456. We're actually going to be going in to Purple Punch, and just going on the very outer part and working inward. Okay, so now that the blending is all done, we're actually going to be going in with the Morphe M224 and taking the Drug Lord liquid lipstick and just doing a halo eye effect. Okay, so since that's all done, we're going to be taking a separate Morphe M224 brush, and this one is actually different and clean because the one we just used, where on earth did I just misplace it? Jeez. Oh, it's right here. Same shape, no product. And we're going to be going in with this really light purple shade called Oral. I'm realizing I need to clean more of my brushes. Okay, so basically to blend these two kind of colors together, just to make it a little bit more nice and transitional, we're going to be going into the shade Bite Me. And we're going to be using a Morphe M441 brush. And just going in between those two completely polar opposite colors. Okay, so now that we have our eyes all good and ready with the purple and everything, we're going to be taking our NYX That's the Point eyeliner and doing the bat wings. So I just need to bring this up as a reference real quick, and let's get started. Does that look okay? I like this one better than this one. This one looks kind of flat. Yeah, I like this one. This one. Way better than this one. It's okay. They both kind of look cute still. So I'm just going to go in and use some white eyeliner to highlight this. So I need to like seriously concentrate on what I'm doing right now. Ugh. Okay. I know this looks super weird right now, but just hang in there with me. We're gonna fix it. Okay, so while we're actually going to be waiting for our mascara to dry before we put on our lashes, we're going to be putting on a very nude lip. This is from Tarte. I believe it is in the color Bling. And before that, we're just going to be putting on some Palmer's Coconut Oil. And on our lower lash line, we're actually going to be taking a Morphe M431 and going into Hot Fudge and dragging that along our lower lash line. And this is actually my favorite liquid lipstick to use. And I chose to use this color because I felt like the eye was so extra that we don't need to do anymore. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on my Ardell Magnetic 110s off camera, and I will join you all back here for the end of the video. Okay guys, so I have on my magnetic lashes, and this is the very end of the look. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you kind of want to try this out maybe for the day before Halloween, around this time of year. And remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I hope you all have a great day. Happy Halloween! I'll see you in the next video. Bye!